All right, shame on me. I didn't hit the record button on my fold. On this, this is just a shirt turned inside out, and I just fan folded it, which is just going up, and then I wrapped in the sleeves. I'm going to dye both sides of it. I'm going to start with one color every third, and then another color every third, and I'm using oxblood, deep orange, and daffodil. Some new colors for me. I've used these in other combinations, but I haven't used them just with these three by themselves. So we'll see what happens. All right, so I did put lines on this to kind of help me decide where to put what. So this is red. All right, that's it. So it just sits there and it just chills for till tomorrow. And I'll do the washout. We'll see what happens. This may be a mess, but it'll be my mess. Alrighty. Wash out. It's gonna be a wild one. That's kind of cool looking. There it is. All right, I'm gonna go wash it. Okay. All right, so here is my fan fold sunset that I'm calling it. Turned out pretty good. I like the way it's. I like the colors. I think the colors are really pretty. I think I needed to add more dye to it, but overall I really like it.
And when I saw that my underage sister was on vaping flavors like bubblegum online, I was furious. Fortunately, Senator Cornyn agreed and passed a bill to ban vaping products from children.
What you think?
That bill is bipartisan. Both parties.
I did also make another one that was the same fold, and this is actually not a fan fold. It is an accordion fold. I made a mistake. But this one I used a lime green, periwinkle, and alpine blue. Here again, I did all three colors on one side, and then when I turned it over, I did all three colors on the other. And this is the final result. Here again, I absolutely love this one. I like the colors and everything else. So please do let me know what your thoughts are. I'd love to hear from you.